What's going on, guys? Varbays here. March 2021 with the brand new KetoKrate. Got a little early up here in the mountains in South Lake Tahoe, California. Wanted to show you what's inside the crate. But a disclaimer really quick. If you're thinking about buying or if you're on the fence about signing up for KetoKrate, don't be. These sell out every single month, quick. So jump on board, hit the link in the description, use code Varbays. If you go to ketokrate.com, use code Varbays, 25% off your first one. If you don't like it, just cancel. It's real easy to cancel. If you have any problems with canceling, hit us up on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, anywhere, TikTok. We're all over the place. DM us, say you're having trouble canceling, and we'll help you cancel. But I don't think you'll have any trouble because they're really good company, really great snacks. Disclaimer, not everything is 100% keto, so if you're on a strict keto diet, this might not be for you, but there's still a lot of things in here you can use. So let's jump into the crate and see what happens in March. There you go, KetoKrate, boom. So every month they give you one of these little inserts. Tells you about the KetoKrate. It's got the little Irish luck rainbow going on it. Talks about beer, it looks like. Who doesn't like beer? Yeah, it talks about keeping your carbs low since it is March and St. Patrick's Day is coming up. Just drink either St. Archer's beer, 2.5 carbs, or Michelob Ultra, 2.5. If you want a few beers, you can kind of stay on track. That's Tim Tebow. He's really big on Ketologic is one of his sponsors, or he's partners in the company. Again, use code Varbays, 25% off. Most of your crate, snack info, things like that. Members only shop. I always point this out because once you're a member of KetoKrate, you can go on here if there's something in the crate you really like and you can buy it individually. So you don't have to buy a whole nother crate. But say you like the Whoppers or the beef sticks or the the keto snacks in here, you can go on here and get individual stuff. So that's pretty cool. Then on the back, it usually says, there's people show you the crate, although we still have not been on that, even though we help push a lot of this. Lime bars, gives you a crust, almond flour, melted butter. Usually has a recipe with directions, of course, but a recipe or two a month. Little success stories. She lost weight doing keto. So did we. The whole thing. And we are more low carb, low sugar. I think I've mentioned this in the past, but let's get into it. What's this? Crafted pork stick, original. So they usually give you a beef, pork, or a mixture of one. 7 grams of protein, 50 calories. Probably no carbs at all in this, or at least one or something. It doesn't say on it, but you got that. Then here it is. Ketologic, dark chocolate candy, hazelnut. Let's get into it. 11 grams, 6 grams of fiber. So that's 5 net carbs. I think you can take out the sugar alcohols too. My wife knows more about that than me. Again, I'm low carb, low sugar. I have actually lost weight. I've lost 9 pounds in the last couple weeks of doing nothing different but just kind of watching my sugar carb intakes. Little working out, very low at home. Super seeds, pumpkin seeds, these are great. They have spicy, this is somewhat spicy, so it's pretty spicy. 8 grams of protein. Let's go over here so we can see it. Carbohydrates 4, fiber 2, so 2 net carbs per serving. How many servings per? Can't see that's blurred. Oh, it's 1 serving, so only 2 net carbs, which is great. This is piece of pizza, crispy mozzarella cheese, and walnuts. So I'll be eating this. My wife can't eat this. Let's look at it. 6 grams, 2, 4, 1 package, 4 net carbs. So again, great snacks. Throw in your purse, throw in your laptop bag, throw in your backpack, whatever you're getting. Throw in the car. So if you need a little snack, you don't want to just totally blow it that day, grab one of these. You'll be good to go. Jimmy bars, really good. Macadamia nut, love macadamia nut. 4 net carbs. Again, throw them in, take them with you. Ooh, this one looks good. These are fat bombs. 1 net carb. 130 calories. So low calories, but delicious. pecan clusters. I'm going to try that. Keto Wise. I don't think I've ever had that. Keto Crisp almond butter. This doesn't feel like normal almond butter. MCT oil, gets you some oils, gets you some protein. Only 2 grams of sugar. So again, keep you on track, but get a lot of your fats if you're low on fats for that day. Here's a mint chocolate chip, fitting for March, huh? Look at the Irish. Let's see these carbs. 22 and 7. Well, a little high on carbs. If you're really trying to watch carbs. Oh, but sugar alcohol I think you can take out, so which makes, and they don't say the net card. It says keto friendly, 3 to 1. But again, the strict keto people will say that's not keto, don't eat it. But I say eat it. It's a lot better than going to like McDonald's and getting an apple pie. That's just my opinion. Take it for what it's worth. 1 gram of sugar, 3 net carbs in this one. Had these before, Monk Packs. They're really good. I mean, they're the equivalent of like a granola bar or something, but still keeping you on track and good. And again, love keto snacks, love KetoKrate. Low carb, low sugar snacks. I say don't use these every single day. Just from my experience, I would not eat this every single day. I would use it as an every other day kind of thing, a couple times a week when you're craving sweets. Bust open one of these, that kind of thing. Use it as your go-to when you don't have like fresh vegetables on hand because you're in your car or you're at work or something. You didn't bring enough celery with cream cheese and everything bagels sprinkled on it. That's what I'd use these kind of things. Go to. But this stuff like this I use for like, it's got 1 gram net carbs. So instead of eating chicharrones all the time, you can have something like this with your sandwich or your hamburger and lettuce, that kind of thing. So those are good. We do keto. Bunker Hill. These are, again, same with like these ones. Kind of the same thing, but just different flavors. So you can try which ones you like. And again, if you like it and you're a member, you can go to KetoKrate. Boom, and you'll get individual ones. You can order them individually. This is milk chocolate, flavored thins with lemon coconut. No sugar added. Low calorie food. Let's see. 13 grams. Oh, that's per container. So this is per one. This kind of stuff, my wife uses this. We don't just eat chocolate. We're not huge chocolate sweet people all the time. But she will use some of these and like making fat bombs or making cookies or anything. So then you're not using the whole pack. You're only using the 1 serving size. Still gives you that sweetness, that flavor, gives you that little sweet kick that you're looking for without blowing your whole, lifestyle of being on low sugar, low carb, keto. And then a banana nut. Let's see. My camera's not focusing. There it goes. 3 grams net carbs, banana nut. Again, kind of like a granola bar or one of those soft, chewy bars. But probably good. I'll try it. We'll let you know. I know we said we're going to do some reviews. We end up eating them or we give them away. And speaking of giveaways, we're always doing giveaways at Varbays. So you got to check us out. Follow us on all of the social media platforms or your favorite platform. We're on TikTok. We just got on TikTok, so we're still small there. We have our own page on Facebook, Varbays. Our website is varbays.com. Use code VARBAYS at checkout at KetoKrate to get 25% off your first one, $10 off. If you don't like it, cancel. But I love these coming every month. It gives us a variety of different things. Sometimes they'll repeat, which is great because I like certain things and then they send it again. It's even better. But check them out. Link in the description below or on this page. But you can just go to ketokrate.com and use VARBAYS as your code and get your 25% off. That's March KetoKrate 2021. Y'all be cool to one another.